Okay, how's the super doing? 36%. And it's noon. It's a race against the clock. How long of a 4K video can we make before it overheats? Okay, before we start this vlog, a huge fuck you to GoPro. I hate you. You're the worst company ever. Your products are terrible. But I did just buy another one. Those workers were setting up a no trespassing sign down there. I ordered a brand spanking new GoPro Hero 8, brand spanking new, to my dad's house. Got it overnight shipped. Got it shipped overnight. Literally clicked buy, and it was there 4 hours later. So we got ourselves a new GoPro 8. That's gonna last us who knows how many months. Diesel is still $4.99. It's not going down. It's been $4.99 for a month and a half or something. Go down. Go down more. Okay, I told you guys I got these Ghost Insta360 files that are on my GoPro. Every time I make a video, I transfer the files. It says GoPro file.mov. It's a bunch of GoPro files. And then there's a bunch of Insta360 files that I can't open. But then I drag all the files I need over. I delete everything. Delete the entire card. Empty the trash on the Mac. Put the card into the GoPro, format the SD card on the GoPro, make videos, transfer the videos to my Mac, and the Insta360 files are there again. Mind-boggling, right? Well, then I said, maybe the memory card is what's messing it up. I don't think this light can see me. Then I was like, let me try a different card. So I take a different card that's never been in an Insta360, a 64 gigabyte SD that's never seen an Insta360, put it in a GoPro. GoPro is not an Insta360. Make a bunch of videos, go to transfer the files, and the Insta360 files are on that card. There's Insta360 files living in the GoPro. Not even the GoPro SD card. All right, we got the precious cargo. Now we just need to go back to the bus, open the box, put the old GoPro, this GoPro, into the box, take the box to UPS, say, I don't want this broken GoPro, it showed up broken. Breeze feels good. Since we're over here, I just want to go check out this one spot that I never hit because I had a broken Suron. This is nothing. I think this is a horsey trail. Dang, I thought this was some off-road jumps, some luxury off-road mountain bike stuff, but nope, it's just a big horse path, I think. We could go this way for a little bit. If I see a single horse, I'm U-turning faster than ever, and I'm getting the hell out of here. That's a one-way. That's a one-way horse path. Let's get out of here. Mission is 50% complete. Whoa! Very fun. Alright, that's gonna be the vlog. It's a short one. We just had to do a quick little GoPro chore. Hopefully in the future another camera comes out that's actually that actually can shoot in 4K for more than 19 minutes and can be on your face. Now we are going to open up the box, do a little something, and then we're gonna go over to US UPS over there. Thanks for supporting the channel. Thanks to all my patrons for putting fuel in the old white Rhino. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already a member of Loophole Culture Underground. Chase your dreams. Get after it. Good enough isn't. What else do I normally say? %50 charged on the Super. Save a dinosaur, ride an e-bike. Peace.